Hello, in this video we're going to consider why mathematicians might want to write computer programs. Why are we not leaving the process of writing computer programs to computer scientists? Well, first of all, maths was around long before computer science was a discipline. Furthermore, early computer scientists, such as Turing, were trained as mathematicians. They were interested in computers as computers provided them a way of solving mathematical problems. Computers are good at solving math problems because they are basically machines that follow a list of instructions that are provided by an operator, you. You provide these instructions by writing a computer program in a programming language. You are doing this whenever you use your computer or your phone. You can thus already write computer programs. What will make this course more difficult for you than using your phone is that the Python programming language that we will be using has a very small number of commands. We can do a lot with this small number of commands, however. Furthermore, it's important that we have a small number of commands as we want to minimize the number of commands that we can give, as that will make our life easier as we have to memorize less stuff. One way of thinking about maths is that it offers a set of tools for getting to the essence of a subject. In other words, mathematics is a sort of language, and it allows us to express complicated ideas. Unlike spoken languages like English, however, mathematics has a very small amount of vocabulary, which is why maths is of interest to computer programs. We can use the small number of commands that are available in maths to write a very compact programming language. The first thing that you should learn when you learn to do computer programming is how to use a computer to evaluate a mathematical expression like the one shown here. You can evaluate this expression by writing a computer program like this one. This code will likely not run, however, as you are not doing anything with the number that is output when you do this calculation. We thus need to wrap the command in a print command in order to tell the computer that we want it to print out the value that is calculated by the expression onto the screen so that we can see it if the computer does it and doesn't tell us what was the point. In other words, what we're doing with this very simple computer programming is we're asking the computer to tell us what you get when you do 2 plus 2 multiplied by 8 divided by 2. Hopefully that's relatively straightforward and enough to get you to complete the first few exercises in these readings. My one word of advice is to remember the order in which operations are performed in mathematics. In other words, the brackets are evaluated first, then the exponents are done, and finally the multiplication, next the multiplication and division, and the last things that will be done are the addition and subtraction. To complete the exercises correctly, you thus need to think about the order in which the various operations are completed. That should be familiar, though, to you. Good luck, and thanks for your attention.